So friends, in this video we shall discuss how to open the zone. So once again, first of all, let me thank you all of you, those who have subscribed to my YouTube channels, as well as they have enrolled in my website banktechskills.com. Thank you all of you for giving us such a overwhelming response and tremendous response from all of you. Do share it with your friends and colleagues so that they can also avail benefit from this, right? And do give me your comments, even if you like it. Please appreciate it. If you have any suggestions, any topic that you want me to include, please let me know. Other than Finacle, also whatever you feel, whatever, if you are in a banking career already, having an experience, you can share anything. Having problems in sales and selling techniques, any terminology in the banking, or any stress management, any motivational issues, anything that you want me to do it, I shall do it, right? So first, process of opening the zone, the command is mcl hmclzoh. So we have to open the zone while we enter the outward clearing checks into the system, right? So first we have to open the zone, like we did in inward also. Open the zone. The zone code will already be created by the data center. A zone which completes a full cycle from opening to closing for a given date will not be available for operations for the same day anymore. Only inquiry will be possible for that zone. If the zone is opened, only inquiry can be done, right? So remember this, you have to be careful in this when you are opening this, right? So type the command hmclzoh, select option O as open, then zone date, control X, zone code, automatically system will populate, click on go. This screen appears on your screen. You can see here suspend the zone. So we shall be opening the zone, right? Then we'll suspend the zone, right? Then what do we have? Regularize the zone, then release shadow balance. If we have regularized the zone and we have forgotten to enter any instrument, again we can unsuspend the zone and we can enter the instrument, then suspend the zone. So further operations we have to suspend the zone before going in for regularization of the zone or closing of the zone. We'll show you step by step, right? And in my website I have explained a detailed video on that. So this screen appears here. You don't have to enter anything here, just opening of the zone, and click on submit. System displays the result screen. So you have this settlement account details and you don't have to change anything. Everything is entered by the data center. Don't have to enter any instruments here, nothing of that sort, right? Just click on submit and this zone is opened, right? Now how we lodge the instrument. After we open the zone, HMCLZOH for outward clearing, checks deposited by our customers, given by people having accounts in different banks. So we post them HOCTM, right? Inward clearing, it was HICTMO. Here it is HOCTM, right? Outward clearing transaction maintenance. Now we'll enter instrument wise instrument in this detail in the screens, right? So after opening the zone, we invoke this menu option HOCTM by entering the same menu shortcut field and clicking on go. System displays outward clearing transaction maintenance online criteria screen. Then option you have to add A, because you will be adding instrument, then they will be verified by the set numbers, right? So if for every this thing, first you have to choose the selection as A. We are adding as a maker. Zone date, control X, zone code, then click on go. Then you get this. This is the screen. You can see on the point number 1 circle, you can see left hand side A is there, right? Then zone code is there, right? Zone date is there. Everything is there. Click on go after this, right? Now bottom screen, half screen consists of the instrument that we'll be entering in the system, right? And we'll keep on adding it up here. You can see here, I just show you with the cursor here. This is addition A. So we are adding all these instruments just one time, right? And the zone code, zone date, and click on go here. So whatever you will enter here, instrument date, then instrument amount, instrument date, type of instrument, check, right? Transaction code, searcher say you can choose, right? Then keep on adding instruments from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can as add as many instruments as are there. You're supposed to enter in the outward clearing, maybe 100, 250, 300, 500, depending on the nature of the work. To keep on adding these instruments, and finally you have to submit. Remember this, open, first is open the zone, then uh, we enter HOCTM. This is the menu command for entering instruments. Add zone code, zone date, click on go, then enter these instruments and keep on adding one by one from here. One instrument, all the details here in this half, instrument amount, date, and you can say the transaction type, is it savings or current, whatever it is. Then add, then again add next instrument here. And this I have shown you in my live video in my website, wherein you will have a better view of how this functions here, right? So enter account ID, right? To use pay slip, to enter account ID, enter amount, what is the amount of the check, you can enter that, right? So you see here, we have entered here account ID here, right here, to which this is the account of our customer, right? Amount here on the column number 5 here, right? And don't have to do anything here, just keep on adding from here, keep on adding from here itself, right? So you'll be, then here account number, here amount, here instrument date, instrument if it is value dated, otherwise amount will be entered again here. This should tally with this, and as soon as you enter here, this amount will automatically populate to that amount itself, right? Then instrument number, sort code, right? Now go on the searcher, to which bank, which branch this check will be, this image will be sent to the Droi Bank, this electronic image, that is CTS, check truncation system, right? So all these I have explained in my live videos on my website, wherein please, those who have not enrolled, please do enroll, and I think you'll be finding it better to go with that, right? Instrument date, instrument number, transaction code, savings, current, sort code, enter details given on the check. So there will be a 9-digit micro code would be there, right? That is sort code. To which city, which bank, which branch this check or this account belongs to, because we are sending this to a particular bank which is not our bank, right? Summary note, the credit amount instrument should be the same, credit amount and the instrument amount should be the same. Then click on submit finally, right? So keep on adding these instruments again here, instrument date, amount 4,500, instrument number, sorting code, to which bank, which branch, which city this check belongs to, who is the payee, KM Sudhakaran, you can write here, he is our customer, right? Payee would be our customer, right? Remember this. And here we have written this account number here. First we have to write the account ID here, then the amount, transaction remark, whatever may be there, it is check number or whatever is there, transaction ID is there, you can write that here. Then below column, and this should 4,500 should tally with this amount entered here, 4,500. As soon as you enter here, this will be automatically populated here, 4,500, right? So don't make any mistake, right? And then finally submit, right? Check loss successfully in online mode, and this will give you a set number, right? So we'll write this set number on the deposit pay slip of the customer, wherein we'll be verifying from those set numbers only. Verifying officer will just enter the set number. Same menu command here, he'll enter the set number here, 1 2 3 4. As soon as he'll enter, click on go, all the details entered by the maker will appear automatically, which is the account ID, name and check number, instrument date, value date, what is the amount, transaction code, this will appear here. This has to be noted down here, right? Set number in outward clearing. Lodging single slip, multiple instruments. After entering pay and slip details, so this is upper one is your pay and slip details. Remember this is your pay and slip. There may be more than one check, right? So pay and slip may be one, instrument may be more than one. So we can add more than one instruments by clicking on this add tab here, right? After entering the pay and slip details, click on tab key. Click on modify amount mentioned in the instrument details section. So this has to be modified here, right? 12,850 has to be bifurcated instrument wise, right? And enter the rest of the instrument details. You can add as many checks which are attached with a single pay and slip. So this is all about how we have to open the zone. Then we have to enter the instruments, and verifier will again log in with the HOCTM, outward clearing transaction maintenance, and he'll verify all the checks instruments by set ID, right? So again, once again, I'm reiterating, kindly enroll to my Bank Tech Skills website, wherein you'll find a lot of live videos there, and I've explained on various fields. I will be doing a live. I'll be using a live server of Finacle to explain all these things. I think this will be useful to you, right? So please do give your comments on this YouTube channel, on this video that you're watching, as well as like my Facebook, as Instagram, or banktechskills.com. I'll be doling out a 30% discount to 4 lucky draws that I'll be doing in a month. And do give your comments, suggestions, feedback, any query, any doubt, anything, any topic you want me to add. Where you feeling any problem in any of the skills, please connect with me, and I've shared my mobile number on my website, wherein you can WhatsApp me, and I'll assure you I'll get back to you. Please, when you are WhatsApping me, write your name and the place and just brief description about yourself when you connect with me on WhatsApp. Are you still a banker? Are you trying for a banking job? So you please give me a brief, your name, your place, where are you residing, so that I can connect with you. So thank you guys. Have a great day.